After you have purchased Launcher, you will receive an application download file. To install Launcher, we will run this, at which point we will get a confirmation to download. If I press yes, you will see that the Launcher installer has appeared. Now, you may notice I have the option to import settings. That is, if I have previously set up a display, I can export those settings, such as the appearance, shortcuts, and so on, and I can then set this screen up exactly the same. I will cover that in a different video. For now, as you can see, the option is checked to launch on finish, so I will press install. As you can see, the installation has been successful and Launcher will now start automatically. After you have completed the installation and successfully activated Launcher with your license key, you will then be taken to the setup portion of the installation. To begin, we will add a room name. We would recommend matching this name with the calendar that you add to this room later on. That just makes it easier for participants to know which calendar they need to invite. I will set that name. And now we will be taken to the room calendar. I have a choice of Exchange or Google. For this, we will choose Exchange, at which point we have the choice of Exchange Online or Exchange on premises. So we will continue with Exchange Online, at which point I will need to add the credentials. So I will do that now. And after I have entered the details, you'll see that it checks them and I go through here. So I now just have to add that calendar. Next, I will be asked to choose an admin PIN. This just allows the admin to maintain complete control. So if any meeting room participants are here, they can't easily access the configuration of the screen. And finally, I will then be taken through to configure my cleanup. For now, I will set this as a period of inactivity and set the configuration, but in a later video, I dive into more detail on what cleanup really is. So now, after setting the configuration, my setup is complete. You're then taken to the home screen, at which point you can finish setting up other parts of the application, such as your shortcuts, configuring your cleanup, and also your appearance.